Now that the fan belt's been removed, I'm going to try to remove the fuel pump without removing the carburetor to see if I can remove the fuel pump without removing the carburetor when the engine is still in the car. I've got this cool fuel pump wrench that I believe works around the distributor. I'm gonna have to. Is that how this works? The whole goal is to be able to remove the fuel pump without removing the carburetor or the distributor while they're all in the car together. So I would come back on this side. Ugh, not loose enough. Cheapers. That side's fine. I wonder if that is possible. You know what you want? You want a ratcheting wrench. I'm going to go ask the mechanic if they use something like